Space hotels. Are you daydreaming of travel while waiting for the pandemic to finally be over? Well, instead of just fantasizing over Swiss Alps or the canals of Venice, why don't you picture yourself being able to vacation in space? Good news for you, it has been confirmed that a space hotel is to be opened in 2027. There has been news that there are even villas available for purchase as vacation homes. The space hotel will be assembled by a skilled team of NASA veterans, pilots, engineers, and architects. It is planned by a construction company called Orbital Assembly Corporation. First things first though, the hotel will have to be built on Earth. This massive hotel begins construction in 2025. The hotel is set inside the Voyager station, a new space station that will be launched into the cosmos by 2027. This futuristic concept will comprise of 24 modules. Each will be 65 feet long and 40 feet wide. It will accommodate up to 400 people, 280 of those being guests. The modules will make up to a rotating wheel orbiting the Earth. The humongous operation is said to be able to rotate around Earth every 90 minutes. Everything you need on a vacation will be there. Bars, gourmet restaurants, a gym, health center, cinemas, libraries, and concert venues. But the best bit? There's even an Earth viewing lounge. The Orbital Assembly Corporation is also planning to serve up traditional space food, like freeze-dried ice cream. Most people are concerned about how guests will overcome the issue of gravity. But they've got that all figured out as well. Guests won't be in complete zero gravity. Instead, there will be stable artificial gravity. The company plans to construct a prototype gravity ring that will be engineered to spin up to create artificial gravity near Mars level, which is about 40% that of Earth. Think about it like this. The physics involved in sleeping within a space hotel is similar to spinning water in a bucket, much in the same way that one can spin a bucket in a circle, keeping the water inside of it. The space hotel will simulate gravity in a similar manner. Of course, they're going to make use of the fact that there's reduced gravity. Basketball games have already been confirmed, where guests can jump up to 6 times as high. Tourists hoping to visit the hotel will have to undergo some training, as they will have to travel on the SpaceX Starship shuttle to get there. So if you're excited, you must be wondering how much would a room cost? Up until now, there has been no comment on its room rate. But fear not, the team at Voyager Station has already assured the public that they eventually plan to make a stay at the hotel something similar to buying a cruise ticket. So what are your thoughts? Are you excited to be able to travel to space? Or does the idea still seem too daunting or far away for you?